Hey everyone, welcome to Dazola Designs. Today I am going to have an unboxing and I'm going to have a giveaway at the end of the video. Super exciting. So a couple weeks ago I bought a bunch of yarn from Joann, as you can see, my favorite store. And I kind of went a little bit crazy because the yarn was on sale, and it's all big twist yarn. And this is my favorite current brand, current favorite. And as you can see, it's kind of crazy. I bought a ton of yarn. And this is going to be for my giveaways. Okay, so you guys can totally win this. I hope you can see. Let me zoom in a little bit. And I will go over the colors with you because I just think they're super spectacular and gorgeous. Here we have forest green. It's like almost like a Kelly green color. And then we have, ooh, what is this? Olive green. That's gorgeous. Well, I'm in the process of making some cardigans. And that green would be really, really pretty. Here's just your basic white. And this is a pretty lavender color. It's called lilac. Really cool. I love the big twist yarn because it's the same weight as a Super Saver, but it is so soft. Big Twist also makes a soft yarn, which, I mean, it's really, the Big Twist value and the Big Twist soft are pretty comparable. The only thing with the soft is you get a lot less of it. Here is, what color is this one? Sapphire. That is gorgeous. I also got these colors to make a granny square project that I've always wanted to make. I want to make a granny square jacket. This is magenta. It's like a fuchsia color. Very pretty. This one is chocolate brown. It's a deep brown color. Gorgeous. Ooh, I like this. This is a mustard color. And for all you women of color that is watching this, it's looked gorgeous against our skin. Huh. Okay, I'm getting a lot of ideas here. Here's the chocolate brown again. Are there any different colors in here? Nope. So let's open the next box. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. This is totally new to me, so I'm having lots and lots of fun. Let me zoom out so I can get the other box here, and I'll adjust the camera a little bit for you guys so you can see. And let's see in here. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have grape. This is a gorgeous purple color. And then we have black. I bought a ton of black because I'm going to start making summer sweaters and summer tunics. And I am working on tutorials. I'm just having trouble. I've never done this before. So I bought an external mic for my camera and it doesn't work. I'm finding out. I'm learning a lot about lighting and everything, so just bear with me with the tutorials because some of them look pretty horrible and I have to redo them. And then I just get discouraged and I don't want to do it anymore. So this is a wine color, but I am persevering and I'm coming out with them soon. Teal. And I went through these colors in my other video too. This is Varsity Navy. Here's a soft gray. That is gorgeous. And this, I love this color. This is coral. It's super bright. It's almost like fluorescent. But this and the varsity navy color, I know I had a gal ask me what I'm going to do with this. All the rage right now are crochet bikinis. This would be a gorgeous color for crochet bikinis. With a green thrown in there. Just make it wild like that. I think that's really, really cool. And here's a camel color. The color is camel. And then what else do we have? Oh, here's a beautiful red. So I bought 4. This one is called Deep Red. I bought like 4 to 5 skeins of each color. I think, did we get that one? Yeah, we got that one. So 2 huge boxes of yarn that I bought specifically for giveaways. I am going to make some projects, of course, but mostly for giveaways, and I'm just adjusting this because it's giveaway time now. So what is this next giveaway going to consist of? This next giveaway is going to consist of 5 skeins of yarn. Okay? So you guys get to pick the color. Any one of these colors can't be duplicates, but you can pick 5 skeins of any one of these colors that I have mentioned in this video. Okay? Plus, you also get, now what is this? 14, this is a set of 14 aluminum crochet hooks. Can you see that right there? I don't want to open it because they are brand new. But there are 14 crochet hooks in here. And they range in size from 2mm to 10mm. So it is a complete set. Okay? So again, this giveaway is this set of crochet hooks plus 5 skeins of the Big Twist yarn, 5 different colors. You guys get to pick the color. Wow. All you have to do is tell me, what's your favorite perfume? You're a guy, what's your favorite cologne? My favorite perfume is by a gal. She makes it. It's called Jo Malone. I buy it at Nordstrom. And it's like all kinds of different scents and you mix and match. And I love it. But what is your favorite scent? I also love jasmine. Jasmine smells really nice. Go ahead and comment down below and that will get you a chance to win 5 skeins of yarn. You pick the color, any color you like from these that I just showed you in the video. Plus you get crochet hooks, brand new. Set of 14 aluminum crochet hooks. Okay, all you have to do is tell me what's your favorite perfume. If you're a man, what's your favorite cologne? And thank you so much to everyone who is watching my videos. I promise you guys more tutorials are on the way. I just have to figure stuff out. Okay, but thank you so much for watching. I'm having a great time doing this. I'm trying to adjust my camera here so you guys could get a better view of the yarn. Thank you so much. And I hope everyone is doing well during this crazy time. And we will see each other in the next video. Good luck to everyone and thanks again.